Welcome back to Lux Drive Garage, the home of the world's most exclusive, most radical machines that push the limits of automotive imagination. Today, we are stepping into uncharted territory with a vehicle that redefines what it means to be an SUV. This is the upcoming 2026 Lamborghini Urus 6x6, not just an evolution, but a revolution in both power and luxury. At first glance, the exterior commands attention like few vehicles on Earth. Inspired by Lamborghini's sharp design DNA yet infused with Maybach's regal luxury philosophy, the 6x6 Urus combines aggression with elegance. Its sculpted bodylines cut across the matte black paint like a stealth fighter slicing through air, while chrome inlays and carbon fiber accents lend it the gravitas of a showroom centerpiece. The grille is a menacing hexagonal fortress, framed by razor-sharp LED headlamps that pierce the horizon with jewel-like precision. The sheer stance of 6 colossal alloy wheels, wrapped in bespoke Pirelli tires, elevates its road presence into something bordering on mythological. When it rolls into a space, it doesn't just enter, it conquers. Step inside, and the story of excess and exclusivity becomes even more cinematic. The interior of the 2026 Lamborghini Urus 6x6 is nothing short of a private palace on wheels, merging the most advanced cockpit technology with Maybach-inspired indulgence. The driver's seat feels like the control deck of a spacecraft. A curved OLED command center wraps seamlessly around the cockpit, housing Lamborghini's signature hexagonal interfaces, next-generation infotainment, and augmented reality navigation projected directly onto the windshield. But beyond the driver-focused tech lies a world few SUVs can dream of offering. Imagine a cabin that transitions from cockpit to sanctuary. Italian leather in deep ebony and cream contrasts with crystal-knobbed controls, polished walnut veneers, and chrome trim that catches the light like fine jewelry. In the rear, passengers recline in lounge-style captain's chairs, complete with massage functions, ambient lighting, and panoramic skylights. The 6x6 even dares to house ultra-luxury amenities typically reserved for private jets. A compact kitchen suite, a fold-out lounge bed, and a spa-inspired bathroom lined with micro-textured stone finishes. This is not just an interior. It is an experience designed for those who believe that roads are meant to be ruled in absolute comfort. Powering this beast is a symphony of engineering brilliance. The 2026 Urus 6x6 will be offered in both hybrid twin-turbo V8 and fully electric performance configurations, each tuned for uncompromising dominance. The hybrid powertrain is rumored to unleash over 900 horsepower and upwards of 1,000 pound-feet of torque, delivered through Lamborghini's advanced AWD system. In full electric mode, torque delivery is instantaneous, propelling the 6-wheeled monster from 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds despite its immense size. Suspension is equally advanced, blending adaptive air ride technology with active roll control to ensure that 6 wheels grip the terrain with relentless stability. Whether charging down desert highways, clawing through rocky inclines, or cruising through city boulevards, the Urus 6x6 adapts seamlessly. Driving modes allow for everything from refined Maybach-inspired Silk Road comfort to Corsa aggression, where every ounce of Lamborghini's DNA reveals itself. Fuel economy, while a secondary concern, benefits from hybrid efficiency, extending range without compromising raw performance. In every mode, refinement is absolute, with cabin insulation ensuring a serene ride even as the beast roars outside. Of course, such audacity comes at a price, and the 2026 Lamborghini Urus 6x6 is positioned firmly in the stratosphere of automotive exclusivity. Industry insiders estimate a starting price north of $600,000, with bespoke customization easily pushing models past the $1 million mark. But this is more than transportation. It is a rolling statement of wealth, power, and identity. Buyers are not simply purchasing a vehicle. They are acquiring a moving penthouse, a futuristic piece of automotive history that few will ever see, let alone own. The Urus 6x6 is aimed at the elite few who demand nothing less than the pinnacle of engineering, artistry, and extravagance. For them, this is not just a car, but a crown jewel, a machine that blends Lamborghini's raging bull spirit with Maybach's legacy of absolute luxury, all elevated on 6 unstoppable wheels. And so, The legend of the 2026 Lamborghini Urus 6x6 is born. A monster, a masterpiece, and a milestone in the luxury SUV world. Thank you for joining us today here on Lux Drive Garage, where we bring you closer to the world's most exclusive machines. If you enjoyed this cinematic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the future of luxury performance is only getting more extreme.